Once upon a time, in the vast, sun-drenched savannah, lived a magnificent lion named Leo. He was the king of the jungle, and, oh, what a king he was! His golden mane shone like the sun, and his mighty roar made the very ground tremble. Every creature respected him, but deep down, King Leo was lonely. One bright afternoon, while resting by a shady acacia tree, he spotted a peculiar sight by the river: a little zebra, all by himself.